A few weeks have slipped by since I've recorded screencasts, and I had a lot of help in those weeks from a number of people. I do want to make a call out to a couple of them. One is Adam Solove, who's helped me on user interface a lot. We do have this ability to kind of stack up pages, and I think you've seen that before. But he went ahead and figured out how to make it work with scrolling and in the history. So if I hit the back button, it goes back like that. This is also handy when I dig a little deeper into another site and maybe even go on to that site. If I click that button there that says go to that site instead of where I was, that actually means a new reload of JavaScript, because this isn't a different site. This is a different site. And in fact, I can see that if I look in the history here, those pages were all viewed from the pale green site, and now we're in the bright red and purple site. And that, in fact, you can see I have quite a number of sites up here, and I'm using that color code as an important way that, when I have a proliferation of data running around my my federation, I think that the federation needs a kind of a symbolic form that is both unique to every site and still has a family resemblance. So I've made that be an automatically generated gradient. In fact, I should also mention the testing we're doing now as this application becomes less and less an exploratory prototype and is destined to be actually useful software. It's important to have tests. I've been criticized for not having them too early. I wanted to show you what it looks like when we run the test. This is our server tests that go straight and check out the Ruby kind of reference implementation of the server. And Bryan Donovan hooked this up for us. If we run these, well, this is instantiating a server, pretty quick there, 24 tests, and checks a lot of things. This is done with rspec. Stephen Judkins helped me get another set of tests, again with rspec, and this is using capybara to do integration tests. Let's run those, and that takes a little longer. You'll see in the corner of the window here it pops up another browser because it actually operates through the browser. In fact, you can see it generating a bunch of different icons there. You notice here that I've actually failed the test. I'm getting in trouble for this. It says it should return the default image when no other image is present. That's for the you make a new site, and if it doesn't have an icon, it just should use a default. Well, I didn't get very long until I had a dozen sites with the same icon, and that, oh my gosh, So coded up a little application. I think I can show you what that looks like here. This is the oh, here it is. Where is it? This is my favicon generator in Ruby. Makes a PNG and then just does a doubly nested loop, doing a little color code computation. I mentioned that, but of course, with a failing test. In fact, I noticed in here as I was just kind of getting ready for this, when I saw the failing test, that it says fix me. This test fails. Bryan Donovan. Bryan, let me tell you, that's what I'll be doing this afternoon for sure.